All I'm saying is this doesn't feel like paper. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be drawing, but we're going to be drawing on the iPad instead of paper. But before we get into it, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you want to support the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell ticked. Drop a comment down below. If you'd like to see more of my art, go check out my Instagram. Also, I do stream on Twitch every Wednesday around 8 or 9. Come by, hang out. Link in the description down below. Check it out, look at what we got. I'm pretty sure I know what it is, but let's open it and find out. Bam, look at that. Screen protector. It says right there that it's for the iPad Pro 2018 though. Hopefully it lines up. All I'm saying is this doesn't feel like paper. FYI, this video is not sponsored by Paperlike. Here's some juicy ASMR for you ASMR folk. Oof. Look at this. Ooh, I like this. What do you say we get into some drawing finally? Let's see what to say about this drawing. Well, this is part of a series I call the Low series. This is a series of pieces that I have created over the years of my wife. Mainly my inspiration has come from just photographs I've taken of her. As of recording this video, I have 2 stencils in my series, and I do plan on making this an ongoing series of portraits and photographs of her and our time together, and to just show how truly special she is to me. Now that you got the backstory, let's dive into this one. So I was having some trouble getting the proportions down right, and I decided to take a Ergo Josh method, which is you draw the same thing for 10 minutes each, and then you kind of just reflect on what you think you could have done better, what you think you did wrong, and just compile it. And after the 30 minutes, the 3 10-minute sessions, you should see an improvement from the first picture to the last. And what I did with this one was I did 3 10-minute sketches and then 1 30-minute sketch, which helped me build the confidence to finally get back to drawing on the iPad and potentially getting her proportions down a little bit better. Now, if you're wondering why I drew Luna on top of Lisa, there's a story behind that. I actually found a image on Pinterest, which I will put up right now. I found this on April 15th, 2016 at around 6:14 p.m. and the only reason why I'm telling you that exact date is because I read it on the info of the screenshot, which is actually a funny coincidence because it just so happens to be 2 days before my mother-in-law's birthday. So shout out to Anna for birthing this beautiful lady I get to spend the rest of my life with and occasionally get to draw. So anyway, I wanted to do my own version of that image, and I wanted to use Lisa, obviously, but I couldn't figure out which animal to draw her with, which leads us to now, 4 years later, where I still haven't drawn in my version of this. And now that we've had a cat for a little over a year now, brings me back to wanting to draw this image. And I didn't really like how Luna was sitting on top of her head. It just didn't feel natural to me. So I started playing around with the background a little bit just to see what worked. And I was doodling a bit, but nothing really caught my eye. And I actually got what ended up being the background inspiration from a pair of shorts that Lisa wears. They say naughty, and it's kind of this similar text, and it's just a repeated pattern. I figured I could probably make it almost look like a old arcade poster. Personally, if you play Overwatch, it reminded me of the character in the game Diva, like a Diva poster. And I don't know, I just slightly fell in love with it, so I decided that maybe I'll give that a shot and see how I like the background with just Lisa in it instead of Lisa and Luna, because like I said earlier, just didn't seem natural. It kind of seems like I just put the two faces together. And what I wanted to do with the background here was I chose the colors, like I filled the colors in with the selection tool in its own layer so that I would be able to give each low and heart its own personality. So I decided to do that by moving the colors around a little bit to give it that coloring outside the line look. I think it came out great, and it really nailed that arcade poster look, which is gonna make a great wallpaper for my new iPad. Thank you guys so much for watching till the very end. I know this video was a little longer than usual, but I wanted to include my entire process from the inspiration all the way to the very end final product. A couple things I noticed since this was my first time using the Apple Pencil, my first time using Procreate, the first time like actually drawing on the iPad with a good program, was that the Apple Pencil, that double touch sensitivity where you could switch from like the normal brush and the eraser, which is what I have it set on. I think it's a little too sensitive, or it might be in like the wrong spot. I feel like maybe it should be higher on the pencil, or like not as sensitive. Maybe I can change the sensitivity in the settings. Also, I found out I need to learn the Procreate program a little more. Overall, I fell in love with actually drawing on the iPad. Anyway, before I show you the final product, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed what you saw with the notification bell ticked so you never miss a video again. I'll leave a like and a comment down below, maybe of what to draw next or how much you think I'm an awesome artist. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, and also guys, I do stream on Twitch every Wednesday starting at 8 or 9 p.m. Eastern time. Alright, let's show you how this wallpaper came out. Well, now that we finished that, I'm gonna go watch some YouTube.